nice and beautiful zebra. One is the robo. Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animals. So there is the first one. Hey. This one is a green color. I collecting this green color outside. And here is the another blue color. Oh ho. And this one is a very nice orange color. And here is the another one is the yellow. Hey. And this one is just so nice and beautiful pink color. And here is the another one. And there is the another one. Oh, this one is a blue. And here is the another one is a yellow color combination. And that is the last one. Oh, this one is the orange. So guys, all of animals collecting in my bucket. Let's go for cleaning. So guys, here is my cleaning water, and that is my all of animals. That is the first one. Oh, this one is a scorpion.
Oh, it's you, Joy. I'm guessing you're here to know more about me.
I'm collecting this scorpion here. And there is the another one. Oh, this one is a so nice and beautiful zebra. I'm collecting the zebra here. Next one. Oh, this one is a dragon. I'm collecting this dragon here also. Here is the another one. Oh, this one is the robo.
Amazing!
Collecting this robo here. And there is the another one. Ha. Oh, this one is another robo.
Amazing!
Okay.
Hey. And there is the next one. Oh, this one is a horse.
Amazing! Love and I adore you. I do anything for you. I love and I adore you. I do anything for you.
I'm collecting this horse here also. And there is another one. Oh, this one is a dinosaur.
Amazing!
I'm collecting this dinosaur here. And that is the last one. Ha. Hey, this one is a crocodile. Collecting this crocodile. So guys, here is all of animal collecting in the side, and see you soon with next time.